Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to permanently block adult websites on your iPhone, whether it's for your own focus or for parental control. This method is simple and works right from the settings. No extra application is needed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch the settings of your iPhone. Over here, you need to simply just scroll down and try to find the option of screen time. As you can see, after focus, I have the option of screen time. So you need to tap on it. Now, if screen time isn't already on, you need to first of all tap on the option of turn on screen time and follow further prompts. You can set a passcode for the added protection so that the settings can't be easily changed. Now, over here under screen time, you need to just scroll down and again try to find the option of content and privacy restrictions. Once you are able to find it, you need to simply tap on it. Now you need to toggle it on if it is not toggled on already. As you can see, in my case, it is already turned on. So you need to tap on it in order to turn it on. After that, you need to tap on the content restriction and then you need to allow it and turn on. Now over here, if you just scroll down and try to find the option of web content, you can select limit adult websites option. Then this is going to automatically block down all the adult websites using Apple's internal filter system. You can also add any specific websites manually under never allow option if you want to block any extra domains. Now, if you go back and if you want to set the screen time passcode, if you haven't already, you can definitely do it. Just make sure that it is something the person using the device can't guess, and this prevents the restrictions from being turned off without your permissions. So that's you can block the adult websites permanently on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment that down below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.